Hey guys, it's E here, and we are at DG, and we have to give a big shout out to Krista Coupons for this one. There seems to be quite the sale on dog food, some dog treats, and some cat food. So I ran right out, and I do have some visuals for you and some UPCs. These do vary by store, so you need to check your store. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and flip you. Okay, so we have the canine carryouts. It is only the pork chop minis. Okay, they should be hanging on a clip strip like we've talked about before, but there's other kinds, and it's only the pork chop minis. And these are coming up 60 cents. I buy these at Walmart all the time for $1. I think that's cheap. These are only 60 cents. So we got those. Then we have Rachael Ray Nutrition cat food, real chicken and brown rice recipe. It's normally $6.75, and it is marked down to $4.05. I am going to post all of these pictures on the Facebook page with the SKUs and stuff as well. There's also the Rachael Ray dog food, real beef, pea, and brown rice. This one is also coming up $4.05. And then we have cheaper options. We have the Gravy Train. There's a sticker saying it's $2.50, but it's only $1.80. And I believe there's 2 different flavors, but the small bites are actually $2.50, but the other 2 are $1.80 each. Now these are all the 3.5 pound or 4 pound bags. I have no idea why these are priced down, but dogs, and we have dogs and cats. So the Old Glory, cheapest, it is actually only $1.20 right now. I only found one flavor. $1.20. So I may be getting some dog food. My plan is to also get a new tote, and I am just going to mix it all together so the good is mixed with the cheap and roll with it that way. So I don't know, just throwing it out there as a thought. All right, if you guys have pets, get out there. I think I scanned everything else and didn't find much else, but there's also some wet food, but I didn't find any. So anywho, all right, have a good one, guys.